Okay, so on this last part of day 2 of conics, our hyperbola, here we've got some descriptions and we want to try and build the equation. So I'm given that the vertices are at -1, -2, and -1, 4. So -1, -2, and -1, +4. And these are vertices. So let's go ahead and label those vertices. Based on those two things alone, I can find the orientation. So the vertices are up and down. So that tells me it's going to be a vertical hyperbola. And I know that the center has got to be halfway between these two. So if these are 6 units apart, 3 units apart is going to be my center. So the center is going to be at -1, +1. That's good. Now let's see what else we need to figure out. If I know the center and I know where a vertex is, that distance represents A. So from the center to the vertex is 3. So that's my value for A. We are also given a focal point is at -1, 6. So approximately right there, the focal point. And we know that the B value is from the center to the the C value, the C value is from the center to the foci. So this distance from here, the center to here, is 5. So I've got A and C. We can do a little bit of algebra to find B, because we know A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Let's put in our values. 3 squared is 9, plus B squared equals C 25. Subtract 9 from both sides, and we get B squared equals 16. So B must equal 4. Okay, so we've got our B value. And I could also find the other focal point if I wanted to, that it's got to be this direction. So right there would be the other focus. So there we've got that. But really what it's asking me for is the equation. So the equation for a vertical hyperbola it means the y value's got to be the one that's positive. So my equation is going to be y minus the y value of the center. So y minus 1 squared divided by a squared. Well, a is 3, so a squared is 9, minus the x value minus the x value of the center. So x minus a -1. Minus a negative becomes a positive. So we've got x plus 1 squared divided by b squared. And let's see, b squared we said was 4, so 4 squared is 16. And the equation will equal a 1. So there you go. If you have any problems, please come see one of us. But otherwise, good luck, and you can do this.